Wow, about $42 billion market cap to about $450 million market cap. Yet it's still functioning. Yet it's still ranked among the top 100. Yet it's still getting massive support. $42 billion market cap down to 450 million. I am still surprised that Terra Classic is still maintaining the top level. Even though they are not really at that top, but at least a coin that is ranked among the top 75 coins or the top 80 coins is not easy. And I wish Luna and assume what happened to Terra Classic didn't happen. I think the crash, the fall didn't happen. I believe by now they should have about $25 billion market cap, because even Bitcoin that was trading at about $1.2 trillion market cap is now trading at a little bit over $500 to $600 million market cap. So many coins have actually lost about 100%, 80%, 120, 150% of their market cap. So at least Terra Classic might be trading between 18 billion and $25 billion market cap, and we all know where this will definitely the position. This will definitely fix in Terra Classic LLC. But all hope is not gone. Yes, it's not really much again about the market cap. It is much about cancelling the zeros they have. It's much about rising, hitting 10,000 or 100,000% in price. That is a major thing right now. So that is why I believe that Terra Classic, the future is good and they need to focus. But right now, it means if LUNC, Terra Classic coin, offers, if they can come up with an idea of like giving more bonus on staking, I think it will help a lot of people to stake more coins. If they can increase the amount of bonus they will be given to those that stake their Terra Classic coin, and if they can increase that bonus, and believe me, we are going to see more people taking the Luna. Definitely it will reduce the supply of Terra Classic. Okay, so I will encourage if Terra Classic can focus on this. Right now we have over 1 trillion coins have been staked. So just like that, so imagine whereby people are hearing that they are going to make more money if they stake more. Then believe it, Terra Classic LUNC is going to really make us proud. Terra Classic LUNC is going to rise massively if they can focus on reducing the supply, using at least the staking, increasing the staking bonus, and also burning of Terra Classic coin. But let's hope for the best, because I hope that everything is not there are some things we need to focus on other issues. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.